Launching a new app? Then your ASO can't be an afterthought. It needs to be part of the launch strategy from day one. In this lesson, we'll walk through the ASO launch playbook, how to build discoverability, trust, and installs the moment your app goes live. Step 1. Start ASO research before you build. ASO starts before your app hits the store. Research. Which keywords your future users search. What problems they describe in reviews. How top apps in your category present themselves. This helps you name your app with clarity and keyword strength. Build early messaging that speaks directly to demand. Avoid building a solution in search of a problem. Use tools like AppTweak or Sensor Tower to get real-time keyword insights before you code. Step 2. Optimize your store listing pre-launch. On both platforms, you can build your app listing before the app is live. Do it early. That means crafting a keyword-optimized title and subtitle, writing a compelling, benefit-driven description, designing screenshots that highlight your aha moment, uploading a powerful preview video that nails the first 5 seconds. These elements influence install rate, reviews, and early retention. If possible, soft launch in a smaller region to A/B test your listing. Step 3. Build hype with pre-orders or beta testing. If you're launching on iOS, enable pre-orders to collect early interest and installs. If you're launching on Android, use closed or open beta tracks to collect early feedback, iron out bugs, and start generating reviews and retention data before your main launch. These signals matter to the algorithm. Step 4. Align paid and organic growth. Coordinate your ASO with launch day user acquisition. Direct your paid ads to custom product pages on iOS. Mirror your ads messaging in your title, screenshots, and video. Use search ads to target your top keywords with low competition. You want to create a launch flywheel. Paid traffic boosts installs, app ranks higher, organic traffic increases. Step 5. Collect reviews fast but ethically. The first 50 to 100 reviews set the tone. Prompt your earliest users. Right after completing a key action, after they've had a positive experience, never on first open or during onboarding. Early ratings impact your rankings and user perception. Respond to every review to show momentum. Step 6. Monitor and iterate in real time. Launch isn't the end. It's the beginning of your ASO flywheel. Watch keyword rankings, install conversion rate, retention and uninstall trends. Review sentiment. Update screenshots, descriptions, or even your icon if needed in the first 7 to 14 days. Your job is to adapt fast. Final thought. A successful app launch isn't about luck. It's about alignment. When your ASO, product experience, and marketing fire together, you don't just launch, you lift off. So as you prep your launch, ask yourself, are you visible where users are searching? Is your story clear and conversion ready? Because day one momentum sets the tone for your entire growth arc.